everybody. Thank you for checking in with my channel today. Please subscribe. Today I'm giving you some game on how to produce a freestyle design. So one of the first things you must do is make sure that you create a clean canvas. So you're gonna go in with either a brush or a fine tooth comb all the hair in the same direction as it's flowing. So with the grain, always make sure that you keep it clean with the grain. It trains the hair to lay in the position that you need it to lay in, and you can use a spritz or some type of holding spray, hairspray, to get that hair to stay still for you. You just dry that surface real good, and you can go in right from there. So as you see, I'm creating a star design, something basic, not too serious. I want to keep it simple. Really focus on creating clean, sharp lines. The stage I'm in right now, I'm practicing my symmetry, and I'm learning that the angles of everything matters the most. Really paying attention to the shape of your client's head, the way that the hair flows. These are all details that are really important with the way you map out and plan the design that you're gonna go with. So the star design is the one that I'm gonna go with for today. Try to give it some 3D effects to make it pop a little bit and see how this comes out. So I'm jumping straight in with my Slimline Pros, the LI editions. You could pick those up at a Sally's or Amazon. Amazon gives you really good prices on it, so check that out. And you always want to set your blades, sharpen them. That makes the job so much easier. It's an easy day on the job when your blades are performing the way that you need them to perform. You never want to be struggling with your machines, creating more frustration for yourself and discomfort for your client. So as you see, I'm doubling up my lines, creating a triple now, going in with a third line, so that once I add some blending work to the design, it will really stand out. So I'm gonna let you guys check me out for a second, and then I'll be right back with you. Y'all let me know how y'all like this music, man. I really put in some work to find some good, smooth music that fit my feel, the vibe, and the energy that I want to project and give you something you can vibe to while you learn. All right, so here is what's called a burst fade. What I'm doing here is I'm creating a bald guideline. Then I go right in after creating that bald guideline with the one closed. That creates the second guideline for me. I then go back in with a half guard to close the blend, close the lines in between my guidelines. So the fade effect is about creating a line and gradually fading that line out, jumping to the next level. You're starting with your lever closed, no guard on your machine at all. You push that all the way up, and then you graduate to your next clip. So that's an easy way to remember how to go about guiding yourself through these fades and different effects that you can create with your machine. Always stay confident and trust the process. It's all gonna come together. It may not look like it, but it's gonna come together. So right here, I'm going in with my razor, really detailing the lines that I've already put in. And this is the icing on the cake right here. If you really take your time and you angle your razor the correct way, it creates an effect almost like you can peel this stuff off. You can peel the effect right off of their head. So this is a good little cheat code right here. Just getting your razor game up. Something I wasn't really that comfortable with to start in my haircutting journey, but I feel really good about it today. So make sure you guys stick with things. Don't run away from the discomfort. There's a blessing in it for you. As you can see, this is coming together really, really nice. It really didn't appear that it was going to come together this smooth at the beginning, but me and my client were really, really, really happy with the way that everything came out and getting some really solid feedback. Believe it or not, that feedback is everything. It drives me to push harder and get better and master this craft that I have. But that'll do it today for this design, everybody. It's all love. I want to make sure everybody feels the good energy. And let me know how you feel about this cut. Like, comment, subscribe, and be sure to follow me